Hello traders, today we are going to break down the analysis of volatility V75 1S. So remember we have already starting a new month, so we need to go to, as I told you, to other videos, and there is a video show how to understand these highs and lows of the day, weekly and monthly and annual. There is a video. So here I will repeat it very quickly. I said once you are in below H4 time frame, I don't know about H2 and H3, but below H4, once you remove H2 and H3 from H1, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 40, any other up to from H1 up to 1 minute, it means if you activate this period separator, it means this is a daily range. Here up to here is 1 day, here up to here is 1 day, so it means here up to here is one candle in a daily time frame, and here up to here is another one candle to daily time frame. And once you are in H4, it means this from here up to here, it means it is weekly. So weekly range, weekly range, weekly range. So from here up to here, this movement, it means the previous week. So once you are in a weekly time frame, one candle is this range. So this is what is happening to lower time frame. The same here, and once you are in a daily time frame, it means this is from here up to here, it means this is 1 month. So one at a monthly time frame, one candle, this is for the previous month. This one, this is what was happening. So now we are in this month now. So this is daily. So once you are in daily time frame, it means you are in a monthly range. H4 weekly range, weekly time frame, and the monthly time frame, it means you are in a annual range. It means you are in the annual range. If you are in a monthly time frame and the weekly time frame, it's the same, you are in a annual range. So this is what happening in this year. We are not yet entering. So once the market is crossing this period separator, this side is from here, it is 2021. Yes, you see here is 2021, but here if you touch anywhere, it is 2020. So we are still in the annual range. We are still in this annual range. So what we need to focus here at daily time frame, because we know that we have already starting a new month. So I need to check the price action at daily time frame. That is what I always do. So those setup you see I share with you or in the Telegram groups, this is what I always looking. So if let's say I know that a new month is starting, and we are today we will finish this week. You see, today also we will finish this week. We will start another week. So if I want to capture the high and low of the week, or high and low of the month, or high and low of the day, this is what I was always looking for. So if I want to capture the low or the high of the day, I always go below H4 time frame. If I want to capture the high and low of the high or low of the week, it means I will go to H4 time frame. If I want to capture the high or low of month, it means I will go to daily time frame. Those I will go to those time frame to check for a setup, not entry. So here I will, like here I'm in daily time frame because I want to see a setup in what price action, what setup I see, or what setup market want to develop. But to find entry, I will always go to lower time frame. Maybe I will consider a daily range to get a early entry. So now I said I'm in a daily time frame because I know we have already starting a new month. So this is a monthly ranging. Once you are in a daily time frame, if you activate this period separator, it means these gaps, it means this is 1 month, this is 1 month, this is 1 month, and so on. So the last month is this one. This is the last month. So now I know the high of this month is here, and the low of this month is here. So it is the same. You can draw this high and low. It means the high of that candle of monthly and the low of that candle here. Once you are in a monthly time frame, so the high of the candle and the low of the candle, it's the same. But if you are in daily time frame, it means that the market you can see what is happening, what was happening. So I don't want to consider now this high because I need to focus where the market is now. So the market is near here, near this low. So according to very simple price action, that's why I always say you don't need even to know for my advice, you don't need even to know a lot of stuff about price action. You need to know always, you need to know the basic. Basic is everything. So a basic price action, there is no one who didn't know that if they break the previous level, like here this previous level was acting as a support, but now they break it. So if they break it, now it is becoming a resistance. So there is no way this market will push up until they break this level and retest it. Until they break this level and retest it, the market will go up. Otherwise, if they don't break it and retest it, you will never see it going up. You see, that's why we say we need to wait for the market to break this level and it will retest it. Not only to break it and also to retest it, because if this is the true resistance, because they break it now is acting as a resistance, they will always go also to test it. So if you see that they test this resistance and there is a rejection, once they come to test this resistance and you see that there is a rejection, and once you get a confirmation candle, you know that this is a continuation. But if you see once they come to test this level, this resistance, and you see they continue pushing higher and higher again, it means maybe this was a fake breakout. But how can you identify this is a fake breakout or a real breakout? Is after retest. So here they break it, this level. So if they come to retest this level and you see there is a rejection and a confirmation candle, you know that this is maybe not a fake breakout, it is a real breakout. So you know that they will continue to push it as a continuation, because this market is still in a downward trend. There is no any environment for shifting, for not yet shifting to a bullish, not yet to a shift, the environment shifting to a bullish environment, you see. So that's why we always, you need to wait for the market to go back to retest that level, so a broken level, always wait for a market to test it. So like here we know that they break this level, this is they break this level. But if we want, if we want to buy, we need to see the market is pushing above this level and they test it, then we will buy. Otherwise they will continue, maybe they will come to test this one and they do a continuation. So also, like here now, I want to see the confirmation candle for, like now I cannot, there is people who are have already maybe buy here, but you need to understand, if you buy to lower time frame, it's better once you see a profit, the market is already pushing and you are in a profit, you are in a positive, you need to break even. Break even, it means to shift your stop loss to entry point, because the way this candle are closing, it means to lower time frame the market is ranging, the market is ranging. It means the market it is in a consolidation phase. So for my strategy, because this setup, I want to see this setup in a daily time frame, but you cannot wait for maybe you cannot, other people, they cannot wait until they see confirmation, because here in a daily time frame, in order to know that maybe the market is now shifting the environment of bearish to bullishness, so you need to see here at this daily time frame, there is a daily candle pushing, above this market. There is a daily candle pushing and closing above this level. If the daily candle, one of the daily candles is pushing and closing above this level, you know that at lower time frame there is a push and there is a break of this. The market is pushing to lower time frame, it means the market is pushing and breaking this level. So once you are in the same lower time frame, maybe 15 minutes, because once you are, if the daily candle is closed, one of the daily candle is pushing and closing above this level, it means you go to daily range below H4 time frame, H1 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 minute, 5 minutes, whatever. So once the market to that one of the lower time frame is coming back to retest the next day, because one of that candle will be already closing, so the next candle, it means the next day to lower time frame, you need to focus to those lower time frame. If the market is coming back to this level and retest it, and you see there is a rejection plus confirmation candle, you know that the market will continue to push up. So, and you may find that that candle of that daily one, until it is going to close, it is closing as also as a bullish candle. So you need to understand it. Otherwise, if you are not, if you don't want to wait for the, if you are not, you don't want to wait for the market to push to daily time frame, a daily candle to push and close above this level, what you need is to go to check for weekly range and the daily range. But our key level here, I said our key level is this level. This level is a low of the months of the previous months. This low. So there is no way the market will shift the environment and continue to push up, maybe to reach up to this level until they break this level and they retest it to lower time frame. So if you want to, there is people who are buying here now, but understand that if you are buying here, because this is daily time frame, once you are in lower time frame, let's start at a monthly, I mean a daily range. This is H1, it means it is daily range now. So yesterday I closed the candle of yesterday, this one. So the psychology of that, what they are doing to lower time frame, this is what they are doing, this candle. That's why I'm saying it to lower time frame. The way this candle is closing, it is like the market is in a ranging phase. So that this candle here, this pin, once you are coming to H1, this is what happened yesterday. That's why that candle is closing like that. So if you come to lower time frame now, the market is you digest the market, so you can see everything, you can see what is happening, you can do a small analysis also. You see, you can do a small analysis. So first, low of the yesterday is here, yesterday, the lowest point. So this is the low of yesterday. So if you want to buy, because they created this low yesterday, you see the liquidity of yesterday is here, so they create their liquidity here, then they push up, then they come back, because there is this is their liquidity for yesterday, so they fail to come to test it, they go up again, then here also they create this high of yesterday, there is a liquidity here for yesterday, the highest point. So this is the high, this is the low. So they are ranging here, they are ranging. This they are ranging, they are in a ranging phase. That's why I'm saying the way that candle is closing for yesterday to lower time frame, there is a range market. The market is ranging. So what you need to understand here, a simple price action. They are not yet coming to retest this level. You need to understand the low of the yesterday, they are not yet coming to retest it. So maybe this is what they do here, because this they created it yesterday, but they are not yet come to retest it again. So if you want to buy, maybe you need to wait for the market to come up to this level, then you, so here if you see the market is coming up to this level, you need to, because this is the H1, if you need to get a early entry, a sniping entry, you need to go to maybe 5 minutes or H1. So if you go to 1 minute, or I mean you need to go to 1 minute or 5 minutes, something like that, or 15 minutes. So you will get the confirmation. But people who are buying now, because at the end of the day you need to follow risk management. If it is me, for my strategy, if I buy here, my stop loss, there is no way you can put your stop loss. Your stop loss should be below this level here, this low here. But if you put your stop loss here, let's say someone is buying here and the stop loss he put here, know that you put your stop loss to a place where there are liquidity. It means there is this you put your stop loss inside a buffer zone. You put your stop loss inside a buffer zone because this is the lowest point they move today. This is the lowest point they move today. So if you are putting your stop loss, it means you put inside here, inside this buffer zone. So remember, they can also come to test this level again, this low of the yesterday. So you need to understand that. So there is no way here. They are not yet decide where they want to go, you see, because they can continue to push down. Why? They have already creating a pattern here. You see this same pattern. The market is ranging. Remember, the market is ranging, but they create some patterns. Reversal pattern. There is a reversal pattern there. You see, this you try. It means the market is ranging. Bam, bam, bam. So maybe they can come up to here, then boom, they go down. Remember, they create this reversal pattern here. This is M pattern. So this is first leg, this is second leg. So if someone is selling here, he know that he's taking his TP is to neck region, and they have already reached to neck. So if they have already reached to neck, we know that if this is true valid reversal pattern, M pattern, if you are not entering to the second leg here, it means you need to wait the market to break it. And even if someone who entering here, if he is not or she is not taking his or her profit to neck region, it means he need to understand that he need or she need to break even, because M pattern always, if it is a continuation, we need to see a breakout to neck region, then a retest. Once they come to retest, you need to see if there is a rejection. There is a rejection. Rejection, it means you will see maybe there is a pin, a rejection candle. Then after you see there is a rejection candle, maybe you get a confirmation candle for end. Then you know that the market will continue now to push, and this M is invalid. So you may find it to like here you may find that the market here, they are, because I know people, they see this M, they believe that the market will maybe continue pushing down, but it is not must the market to continue to push, because they are not yet breaking this neck region. So you may find that they have already bounced here. So maybe they come up to test. We know they come up to lower time frame. Maybe they come to test that broken support, now is turning to resistance. So maybe they come here to test it and come down again. Or if that's why I say to higher time frame, daily time frame, this is our month, the low of the month, this one, this level. I draw to daily time frame, this one. So if you see here, if you are not buying here at this low, you need to see they break this level, and once they come to retest, then you buy. That's why. So automatic to H1 time frame below this I mean it to daily range, H1 30 minutes, 15 minutes. If the market will push up and break this level, it means to daily time frame, you see if the market will push and break this level, it means this level, this one, the low of that previous month. It means automatically once you switch your time frame to daily time frame, that you will see that one of the daily candle is closing above this level, and you know that okay, there is a buy injection now to this level. So to this lower time frame, you will find that the candle are pushing up, so there is a breakout to this lower time frame. So what you need to wait, you need to be patient. You need to wait for them to come to retest this level. If they come to retest this level and you see and you find that there is a rejection, so you need to see a confirmation candle for you to enter to the market to buy. Then you know that they continue to push up. That is what we do. So if they come to test this level, if they are once they are coming to, if they break this level and once they are coming to test this level, if you find that there is no any rejection, they continue to push down, okay, you say they continue to push down and you break this level, you need to understand what pattern they create now. So you know that maybe this was a fake breakout. So what you need is to see the if they are going down, you may see that they continue to push down. Then now you forget about this other pattern. Then you know that okay, now they create this, it is like a shoulder, this is head now. So you wait, and you wait also until they break the this neck level. Because they can break this monthly level, but they will bounce here. They will bounce here. You see that there is a rejection, then they will continue also to, it will be also the continuation. But if you find also the neck level, they break it, so stay patient. Once they come to retest it, once they give you a confirmation candle to sell, then you sell. You know that they print this reverse this pattern, head and shoulder pattern, so you know also they will continue to push down. So this is what I always do. So you need to pay attention to watch my video very carefully. You need to watch my video very careful and understand the concept. So this is a setup for volatility 75 1S. Remember, if you are buying now, at least your stop loss should be below this level. But if you put here stop loss, remember that they are not yet coming to test the low of the yesterday. So maybe they will come to test it and it's starting going up. That's why sometimes people, they are doing the analysis and because they put stop loss where they are not required to put it, and you might find that they are getting out of the market and the market is pushing to their direction. So at least you need to put your stop loss here. If you buy now, if you follow risk management, because at the end of the day is all about following the risk management. If you follow risk management and you risk what you can afford to lose, and you put your stop loss below this level, you are comfortable. If they come and they take this stop loss, it means the market will continue to push down. They will continue to push down. All you wait for once, because they will break this low, here. Then once they come to retest, you know that it is continuation. So you follow risk management again, then you sell. So this is set up for volatility index V75 1S.